Alright, so I've been using the Xiaomi Smart Tower Fan 2 for a while now, and here's the honest take. Quick and straight to the point. First off, this thing looks clean. It fits really well in modern rooms, and it's surprisingly quiet. In sleep mode, it's almost whisper level, perfect if you're sensitive to noise at night. In South Africa, you're looking at around R1940 to R2200, depending on where you buy it. And for that price, you get a 150-degree wide airflow and a super efficient 24-watt DC motor, so it barely touches your electricity bill. The smart features are actually useful too. You can control it with the Xiaomi Home app, or even Google Assistant or Alexa. Plus, you get a ton of customization with different speed levels and swing angles. Now the downside, it's not an aircon. It won't cool a hot room fast, it just circulates air. And yeah, it's mostly plastic, so it doesn't feel super premium. So the verdict? If you want a quiet, smart, energy-saving fan for a bedroom or office, this is a solid buy. If you need serious cooling though, look elsewhere.